Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using the Outlook.com email or Outlook.com website for the emails, one weird bug is happening and it's still ongoing apparently from a lot of users. So it started about 12, 13 hours ago. It actually, the way it actually works is that if you try to do a search in your emails, you get error messages, and sometimes it just doesn't do anything. It apparently is really just online. A lot of users that say that they use an app or they use that email on their mobile device, for example, or tablet, say that there it works. But if you go online and you try to do a search for an email, you'll either get an error message or you'll get just no results. It's still ongoing. A lot of users saying that it still doesn't work. So if you are trying to find emails and if you're going to Outlook and you do search and nothing happens, has nothing to do with your PC really. It's a problem that Microsoft is investigating still. And they say that it seems to be related maybe to the way that the Outlook servers are actually archiving the emails. And so if you do have that problem, well, they are working on it, and they say that an updated status will eventually happen to say when it's fixed or when they expect it to be fixed. But for now, it seems not related to, in the last month we had a lot of moments where a lot of the online services from Microsoft were broken, and were often broken because of what seems to be distributed denial of service attacks from a anonymous Sudan group. This would not be related at all to that. It really seems to be simple server error. There's some kind of problem while actually searching for emails. So if you use Outlook.com and you're searching for emails and it doesn't work, well, Microsoft is investigating the issue. So be patient. It should be fixed at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.